Hello everyone, my name is Ishan Aluwalia. I scored 99.81 in CAT 2024 and I've converted IIM Calcutta, FMS Delhi and ISB Hyderabad, and I'll be heading to IIM Calcutta this year. IMS has played a very important role in this journey. This was my third attempt, and right from recorded lectures to mocks and this year the Catapult Elite program, IMS has played a very crucial role in helping me get where I am.
So Ishan, 99.81 in CAT this year, that's wild. So did you eat quant for breakfast or what's the secret sauce?
So there's no secret sauce, there is no fixed formula. You have to do what works for you, practice as much as you can, go in with a positive mindset, and yes, hope a bit of luck goes your way on the day.
If that happens, I agree. Like even if you have to work hard, but that 1% luck can change everything.
Definitely,
right?
definitely.
Cool. You have been at Sabre for the last 2 years, and I think it's the second largest travel tech company in the world. So how did you manage work and CAT prep? How did that come together?
Right. So it was definitely not as simple. I had my flatmates with me in my second year of prep, and that helped a lot. And in this final leg, of course, you have to create a schedule that works for you. It could seem outrageous to the ones outside, but if it takes waking up at 6, sleeping late, you have to do it. And of course, you have to miss those few weekend parties and make those sacrifices, but it's definitely possible.
And it's worth it too, right?
Oh,
Missing the
yes.
So then, why MBA now?
Right. So actually, I've been trying for an MBA for the last couple of years. I have an interest towards finance, and that is the path I wanted to take. But I think now with 2 years of corporate experience behind my back and a better understanding of how corporate world works, how businesses work, I think this is the right time to enter MBA.
Fair enough. So we did some research about you, and we got to know that you were involved in drama clubs and school debates and everything. So how did you walk into the interview? Did you own it up like it's your stage?
You have to. You have to be your authentic self, and you have to try and impress panel members in less than 15 minutes. So if you are not putting your best foot forward, it becomes very hard. So yes, go out there and own it like it's your stage.
Yeah, own it up, guys. Own it up. But we want to know you beyond this CAT preparation journeys, studies, and drama school and debates and everything. Beyond this, what do you like? What do you generally do in your free time?
Right. So I'm a huge cricket fan.
Yeah.
I watch all the live games and then their highlights as well.
Yeah.
So yes, cricket is what kept me sane during the breaks and during.
Does it? Oh yeah. So is RCB winning?
Okay, so as a long-term RCB supporter, I say absolutely
Is it?
yes.
You are okay. This is Mumbai Indians, guys. So
Is Salah Cup now?
please, no. We are winning. It's okay. See, I'm wearing a blue jersey already. Let's talk about setbacks. In 2022, you scored 99. In 2023, you scored 98.75. So many would have called it a day. What kept you going? What were you thinking?
Right. So I think I had a goal, I had a dream, and again, the third attempt would have probably been my last attempt.
Yeah.
But I just put everything I had into this last attempt. I knew that if something has to work, it will. So I think again, it comes down to your mindset.
Yeah.
It comes down to the people supporting you and backing you.
Yeah.
I think that's also very important. And then it just turned out the way it had to. So again, be focused, give it your all, and then hope for the best.
The risk was worth it, we can
Yes,
say.
definitely.
Most definitely. And one last thing, if there is a quote or learning or a teaching that you have, something that you've always carried with yourself, and something that you've always told yourself during the difficult times, and something you would also want to share with the other aspirants as well.
Right. So as already discussed, I'm a big dramatics and Bollywood guy. So there's this one line from Om Shanti Om that फिल्मों की तरह हमारी जिंदगी में भी अंत में सब ठीक हो जाता है, और अगर ना हो तो पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. And I carried that line with me, that it is my story. I will decide how and when it ends. And again, you could call it excessively dramatic, but you need that kind of delusional belief when you are preparing for something like the CAT.
Yeah.
So yes, just put your best foot forward. Believe that until you make it, it's not the end. And if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, there's another milestone to be achieved. So,
that's a very classic quote. And one more thing that I like from Om Shanti Om is like that Puri Kainat.
Yes, absolutely.
So manifestation is real. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.